Hello guys, good morning. So it's International Day of Yoga 2020 and you might be thinking, let's do some yoga. Many people think that we'll do yoga on International Yoga Day, but they can't keep it up. Main reasons are they can't get early in the morning first thing, or they can't manage the time, or they don't see the benefits of yoga. So today I'm going to give you a set of yogas. So there are 6 practices, 5 minutes long. So 30 minutes of that and 20-minute meditation. That will be around 50 minutes. So it will take approximately 1 hour to complete all the sadhanas. You can do any one of them or you can do all of them. Also in this corona time, we need to focus on building our immunity and increasing our lung capacity. So we have Simha Kriya, which is very powerful and it can drastically increase your lung capacity and boost your immunity. So check that out. So if you don't have that much of time and you need to do only one practice, so that can be Yoga Namaskar. It will take hardly 5 minutes to do it and it's very beneficial. So I recommend to do that one if you are just planning to start with one practice. Well, then let's begin our yoga journey by clicking the playlist here. If this video helped you in any manner, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care. Namaskaram.